everyone, Robert here at Prince George Ford. I just wanted to take a second to show you this 2019 F-350 Lariat that we have over 19,000 off on right now. 37-inch NITTOs on MOTO metal wheels, which leads up to the 6-inch BDS lift. You can just check out these painted flares. Being the Lariat, I have so many bells and whistles. Why don't I show you? Hop on in. We use that running board, please. In the cab, I have this touchscreen display right here, navigation, climate control, leading down to my trailer brake for towing, popper into reverse. The touchscreen turns into the backup camera that I can zoom in for that fine tuning, power extendable and folded mirrors, panoramic sunroof. This is an amazing truck, guys. Why don't you come down to Prince George Ford, take it for a test drive. Take a look at our website, pgford.ca. Give me a shout, 250-563-8111. My name's Robert at Prince George Ford. Thanks.